Computer design. CAD are used for display designs and build production prototypes in software. Test them as a computer object according to following given parameters. Compile up parts and quantities list. Outline production and assembly procedures. Transmit the final design directly to machines. CAD has many different applications, some of them like designing new car or aircraft bridge, and building. Making changes to a design requires a large number of complex calculations a CAD system needs. Using of computer aided design software. Computer aided design a high resolution monitors input devices such as mouse, keyboard, graphics, tables, and scanners, etc., and output devices such as printers and plotters. CAD use often has the capability of displaying a three-dimensional object and speedily rotating it any direction using controls on the keyboard. Computer aided manufacture CAM is used to control all the part of a manufacturing process. CAM software uses digital design output such as that from a CAD system to directly control production machinery. CAM systems are manufactured following goods. Product can be made very accurately and consistently around the clock. Production is much cheaper. A product's design can be modified without the need of bringing production to a computer standstill. Simulations. A computer simulation is a special type of computer model which recreates a system that might exist outside the computer. Simulations are often used to train people how to deal with situations that are too difficult, expensive, or dangerous, or to recreate and practice for real. For example, a flight simulation which is used to train pilots how to deal with situations that would be expensive and dangerous to practice using a real aircraft. A flight simulator consists of a working replica of the flighting desk of an airplane. Medical. The computers are commonly used in some area of medical fields such as laboratories, research, scanning, monitoring, pharmacy, etc., which are helping the doctor to diagnose an illness. Patient monitoring. Computers are used in hospitals to monitoring critically ill patients in intensive care units. The patients have sensors attached to them which detect changes in heart rate, pulse rate, blood pressure, breathing, and brain activity. If any reading discolorates or reaches misbalancing level, the computer activates an alarming device to create sound and alerts the medical staff. The data is also logged and used to analyze the changes in a patient's condition over a period of time. Patient records. Computerized databases are used to store information about patients, doctors, medicines, and other chemicals and equipments. Storing information in proper order to provide the convenient way of arrangements for hospital staff. It makes easy to organize records than paper-based records that are not constantly evolving. Patients around the hospital. For example, if a patient is admitted in one ward but being seen by a consultant and receiving treatment in other parts of the hospital, their detail can be viewed and updated at any terminal in the hospital's LAN networks. The computerized database are used to help match patients who are waiting for organ transplants, such as a new kidney, liver, or heart with suitable organs from donors. Diagnosis. It will come as no surprise that hospitals and clinics use computers to keep records and generate invoices. One common use of computer is to scan the body of the patient. A scanner sends electromagnetic rays through a patient's body and sensors detect that how much patient's body have affected to any type of cancer. Actually, the body scanner helps the doctor to treat any type of tumors or scanners. For example, the CAT scanner passes rays over the patient. It displays an image that enables physician. Okay.